All right, here's the update with the gray busing tote that I've been talking so much about. Um, this is this is the tote that they use out in the field. So what I'm envisioning is that somebody would be out in the field, they would harvest a gray tote, they would bring it in from there, go into the production area, wash it, spin it, dry it, and then put it back into a clean tote on this end that then our packager would be able to go. But this is a much more compact setup than what we have had in the past, and that's what I've been trying to get to, is way more compaction. It just seemed like we had so much open space before, and I couldn't really figure out how to tighten that up, and I think it's just messing around. And Kayla's come up with some great ideas as far as moving the pedestal and bringing the bags over here, and then she's just got that scale right where she needs it. And she felt, I think you said maybe just a little bit lower,
Just a tad.
just a touch lower.
Yeah, just
So
probably about to level with my hand. Just a little bit.
So right
maybe
below, right below the,
just
about an
below,
inch or so of the pipe.
about an inch or so
Below the pipe.
below the pipe.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe an inch and a half, and then it should be like perfect height to just.
Okay.
Because then you can see it a little bit better. I mean, I can see it fine like this, but if it's just a little lower, I can
You
see
can
the
see it even
numbers
better.
better.
Okay, you'd be more on top of it.
Especially if it was like a really sunny day, there would be so much glare on that.
But there won't
at
be,
this
because that's going to
angle.
all be covered, and
Then we don't have to worry about
yeah,
it.
that's going to have 4 walls on it and all be enclosed.
Yeah, I'm not have to worry about that. But
Quality control.
Always.
half of that is very So right now I'm trying not to put too much weight on this bus head because it is for just getting used to it on here, and I don't want it to shift on accident.
Yeah, and Deb, I don't know if Costco sells the small nitrate gloves or
I
not.
have tiny hands.
She's got
Yep.
tiny hands, so we're going to have to go to
You can pick up that. You
Okay.
can have one of each size.
one of each size. That's what apparently we're going to have. She's got Jake-sized hands, I guess. That'd be funny. We'll have Jake wear them one day, right next to her. Hey, these fit perfectly.
Well, hey, I wear kid size hats, right?
Oh, wow.
I'm not. I wish I could lie about that. But it's very hard to find a hat. They all say you fit.
Got a flyby. So then one little thing that I just noticed with Michael, he's got one little batch left, and this is actually kind of about the batch that I'm thinking of next year. So what he had to end up doing, because our drying table's so big, he ended up having to turn these fans off because he only needs this tiny little area right over here. Now, you know, you think, oh well, that's just one time, but that's we have six products, and think of that for at the end run of every single one of those products, he has to do this and multiply that by 6. So now even the large size is waste because he ends up having to do one small size at the end. Where if we can kind of just scale the whole thing down, then everything is that size and we don't have to keep making adjustments and everything. All right, so here she's just going to have to fill up, and that's not something that we would do in the future. In the future, the gray tote will be the thing that the dryer person would be loading into normally. It would be nice. We have to set something up that just those gray totes just boom fit right into right away, so that
Is this where you had it?
No.
yeah. See, we're because these T's right now are causing it to be wonky and wobble. So that's good to know in the future, you know. But I envision something that just boom just sets right in there each time, so that somebody could just turn around and just pop it right in there every single time and not have to be so pensive about it, not have to worry about it and stuff. Yeah, so I'm trying to figure out how this cell fits. It's almost a semicircle. It's okay, we'll take that out of your pay. Don't worry about it. But how that's going to fit over here, and I think how that's going to fit over here is towards this end down here. So this will be the very end of the of it right here. I'm going to come around here. So the product I'm envisioning comes in this way, comes around, and then we have a big open space that we can either put the station right there. I was envisioning over here, but right there works kind of nicely. So it's really compact and it just comes right in, lands right there. Person turns around and scans it, gets the code and everything, slaps it on there, and then walks right out here and right into that walk-in cooler and then right back at it. So I'm thinking that maybe against, because you can see where this wall is going to go right across there. It'll be right about in this general area, and then right over there would be the drying aspect. So that would be the last part of the washing would be right there, and then just comes right over to here.